Welcome back to NMR. It all started like a normal Nissan Patrol GQ. But it's going to be a off-road monster with twin turbos and 40-inch tires. Sit back and enjoy, for part 2.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we're going along with this body from the Nissan Patrol. So what we're about to do in part 2 is making some new fenders. We're chopping the underneath off.
Dear Peter, those underneaths are called door sills.
And replace it with very thick pieces of steel. And some nice rock sliders on it, sidebars on it. And chopping this one off, make it straight with this line over there. This one needs to be replaced too. So we're going to cut it off, getting some nice new pieces in here. So let's start. Don't forget your glasses and your ear protection, because I always do. Grind everything down. Oh wait, what's that? What's that? That's my Ford Focus.
Peter, please go back to work.
And that was the last one, and I'm so happy that it's done, because it's not just one, not just two, it's 4 of them. And I've got them all done, so I'm really happy about that. What I also have done is relocate the fuel cap, because it used to be just around here, as this picture. And we relocate it to this side, and that's the amount of work. And the only thing what's left now is the inner side, and also on the front. But before we're going to do that is cut this one off. So you may have wondered, why do you cut the sections off? Dirt, lots of dirt.
Peter, don't forget the coffee. Peter, enjoy.
So I'm not going to make a video of all the welding of the inner arches, so here it goes. It's all welded up. Okay, so we're almost done with the arches and the inner arches and everything like that. But before we're going further with this one, we're going to make a kind of frame to set the chassis on, the body, sorry. And so it's easy to roll it inside, outside, everything like that.
Can we see that again?
We're gonna replace this piece of steel with this piece of steel. And why? Because it's ugly.
Now it's time for something special.
Heb je eten voor mij? Hallo? Hallo?
Sorry, wrong clip.
And we're going along with some piping, and it's not just some piping, it's 4-inch stainless steel. And where are we going to use this for? You're about to see.
It's not the night, it's in between that and the day are wrenched apart. The knives are out and so it seems the lightest souls are truly dogs.
So thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. And in the next video we're going to do a lot of sanding and all kind of stuff. So we're going to take it to the body shop and we do a color review. So yeah, again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time. Bye.